almost out of charge. Wait, here we go.
Wow.
That was not me. That was the fail helicopter. Go get him. Go get him, boss.
Smooth.
It's not
Okay, fly it really high in the air.
Look, what is it? Look, what is it?
Mocha, do you not like that?
Hey, I couldn't see.
Don't cut the don't start the engine. Okay, and go! Oh shoot!
It doesn't have much battery power.
Here, go really high in the air. I'll catch it.
See, it doesn't have much battery.
Oh, good. Shoot, everything's good.
Okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
we're good. Give you a thumbs up.
Why?
Maybe we should stop filming this.
Yeah, it doesn't have enough charge left.
Okay, see you,
Wait,
pilot.
wait.
Say bye. Bye.